Hey guys, it's Thunder Splash, and in this episode we're going to be talking about how to make a quit button in Unreal Engine 5. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, first we're going to open up the third-person character blueprint. Then right-click, type in keyboard. We're going to change the input key to whatever button we're looking for. Right click, then we're going to look for print string, and then we're going to type ourselves a message. Then we're going to add a delay. Then we'll right click, and we'll look for quit game. Compile, and then press play. Alright guys, and there you have it. When you press the button, it'll say your message, and then after a couple seconds, it'll quit the game. Hey guys, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.